welcome back. I know it seems like it has been forever, right? It's time for another Petit Vour Plus unboxing. So you guys know how this goes. We talk about last month's box, what I liked, what I didn't like. We unbox this month's box and we talk pricing. So don't mind the appearance. I just got off work. It's 1 o'clock now. And I've lost 4 nails today. So it's been a day. But let's cut to the chase. So last month, the cherry lip exfoliator from 3 Ships. I've had it before. It's good. It works. My lips get always chapped and dry, especially this time of year when it starts to change seasons. And it does help get rid of the dead chapped skin so I can get the soft lips back, because it's so irritating. If you guys have chronically dry skin or super chapped lips, you can understand, you can relate. The Up Circle face mask, I thought it was good. It was like a mud mask. It was good. I actually wish that it got drier. I know that sounds so weird, but if it was a little bit drier, then I feel like it would help my skin more. Like if it would harden more. It doesn't do quite as much as I wanted. As far as an exfoliating mask, I don't think it was that great. Like I used it. I mean, I like it. I'm going to keep using it, but I would not buy it again. Probably. The 100% pure lavender hand cream was good. I do like a good hand cream. I liked it. I did not like it as much as the Ahava hand cream I had not too long ago. The Dead Sea Mineral one was really good. But I did like this one, and I did like the lavender smell. It was very soothing and relaxing. So I would buy it again. Long story short. The Talk Beauty Mascara. This is like, what, the 3rd tube I got? Obviously, I love it. It is my favorite product I've gotten so far this year, and I've gotten a lot of products. It is top tier for me. I will be buying it again. It's expensive, but I will buy it again. And then the Pacifica lip balm, the tinted lip balm. I love that. It was so nice, and it was nice. I was soothing my lips, but also it was cute. Like it was just the right amount of color to where it gave me that pop that I really liked. I will be buying that again too. I mean, there's no reason not to. If you like a Pacifica product, they're all very affordable as far as beauty and skincare goes. So with that, let's take it down to the box. Happy Mail Day! And there is all that, in case you're curious. Oh my, okay, so we got more of the Evio Skin Hydrogel Eye Therapy. I have tried this before, the pink perspective. I thought it was fine, but we will do it again. Who knows? Oh my, we got 2 Goldfaden MD Radiance Whip Brightening Treatment Mask. Okay. So that's the only, fun fact, the only eye cream sort of situation that I got that I really liked was the Goldfaden one, and it was like a spot treatment. It wasn't like an eye cream necessarily, but it was like for like wrinkles and lines. And I actually really liked it. I thought it really tightened my skin and was nice. There's all the ingredients. I've never tried these before, so I'm curious to see how it goes. Very cool. I guess I should show you guys the Evio Skin one too, even though, you know, I've had it before. So we got more Mad Hippie Vitamin C Serum. I think I've tried this one already. I do like this, but I'm curious to give this a try again and see how it goes. I do love the packaging, by the way, even though they've changed the packaging since, but it's really good. Now I'm curious about that, but first let's get this in the corner. It is Idun Lip Lusher Julia, soft, nourishing, and glossy. Okay, I'm into it. So I've had the Idun Minerals. I've had, I think, 2 products from them now. I thought their mascara was pretty good. It was really interesting, and like it worked well, and it held up well. But I'm curious to try this. I think I tried like a lip something from them. I don't think this is the same thing, but I'm gonna try it. I'm curious. And it looks like there's another hydrogel eye mask, which is fine. I'll use them. And then this Belle Pierre. So Belle Pierre is also a new product that I've been introduced to this year. I really do. At first, I did not like their primer, but it has grown on me and I do like it now. And I'm curious to see how this works. The Belle Pierre Hydrating Blush Stick. Interesting. I usually, I use blush occasionally, but usually a powder, not a wet blush. So I'm curious to see how this will go. All right, now I'm going to do the research and come back to you guys. Okay, guys, I've done the research for you. But first, I want to show you a couple things because, you know, I love just opening things as I go. So this is the color of Julia. It is so pretty. I'm going to try some on right now. It's like a very, very light pink with a little bit of shimmer. I think that's very pretty. It's very subtle. I love it. I do. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's very pretty. Like when I'm going to work, occasionally I'll do like extreme eye makeup and stuff, but generally I'm working super early in the morning and I don't got time for that. So something like this, like I usually, for like my normal makeup, for like my normal super early shift, it's just primer, foundation, finishing powder, sometimes highlighter, sometimes blush, depending on how much time I have and what's my mood, and then mascara. But something like this is so easy to just add on. I love it. And I also took out the Belle Pierre. This looked so fake. I thought it was like a lid or something. It's not. It's the blush stick itself. So we're going to try some of that on too. I'm just curious to see. Okay. Yeah, I think once I rub that in, it'll be good. Give me a little bit of color. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I actually like that. This one needs a little bit more love, but it's okay. Okay. Okay, that's pretty good. So yeah, let's talk pricing now, because like that matters, you know what I mean? So the eye masks, last time I got them, it was like in a pack. They only sell them in packs from what I could see online, not in like individual uses. So mathing it out, it's like $6 for the two that I got. They're basically $3 a piece. The Radiance Whip, the Gold Fade and Radiance Whip, that's the high, that's a high value item. Each one of those is $18 a piece. So that means it's $36 for both of them. That's crazy. The lip blusher, the Julia lip blusher I just used, $20. The Mad Hippie Vitamin C Serum, I saw it, generally it was like $33, but I saw it on sale at some places for $23. So I kind of just did a little bit of math, I guess. I just picked a number in the middle and I said 30. So basically $30. Then the blush stick is $15, which makes our grand total of value for this box $107, guys. That's crazy. Like compared to the Vegan Cuts box, this is doubling the value. Just saying. But that being said, this is the Petit Vour Plus box. So like I said, next year I'll be getting the normal Petit Vour box to try like some new products, but this is giving like stuff that people already like. You know what I mean? But that does it for this, guys. I can't wait to try all these products and let you know what I think about them later this month, I guess, since technically it is October now. But thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye!